Hi everyone, today I'm here at BISP Social Protection Wallet Workshop in Islamabad, and this event is happening with the support of EU, German government and GIZ, and they're all working together to help millions of families in Pakistan to move towards stronger and cashless future. So what's this all about? It's all about helping millions of families in Pakistan, especially women, to manage their money in a more easier and safer way and join digital economy. BISP is currently Pakistan's biggest social safety network, but currently many families, especially women, have to travel long distance and to wait in long lines just to collect their payments in cash form. To fix this problem, BISP decided to introduce a social protection wallet, and this wallet let the people to get their payments through trusted platforms like JazzCash and EasyPaisa or any other digital wallet account through their mobile app or the nearby agent instead of relying on cash form. Being here, I'm seeing how government teams, regulators, banks and mobile companies are working together to make sure that this actually works on real life. Also, it's not just sending a money, but it's actually building a trust and help the people to learn how to use these digital payments and to make sure that women feel safe and confident while using them. One thing that really stood out for me that how it is important to include a woman's voice while making and designing the whole payment system, because a real financial freedom can lead to a real social freedom too. If we want a true inclusion, that we can't leave anyone, especially those who have been left out for too long. For me as a fintech student, I'm really inspired that how a digital payment system can improve real lives, and for me this isn't just a technology, but it's about how a digital tool can be used to give our family, mother and daughter more freedom and control over their money. The way forward is clear. We need a teamwork, awareness, clear rules and young thinkers who can develop the whole digital payment system much easier and safer for everyone. Thanks for watching. Let's keep talking about that how digital wallets and financial technology can not just build only stronger income but also stronger communities.